In this video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem Marriott Bonvoy points. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have redemption points available in your Marriott Bonvoy account, you will be able to use them in various different services, upgrades, and special offers. I'm going to teach you how to do it through a web browser on your computer, but you can also follow along either on a mobile app or through a web browser on any mobile device. Now, if you are doing this through the website, you simply have to scroll all the way down, and at the bottom, you will be able to find redeem points. Click this option here and you will be redirected into this page where you can find information regarding what you can spend point on. So as you can see, you can redeem points for stays, experiences, shoppings, and hotel. So you will be able to browse through all of these options here, combine your accounts, share your points, transfer points to miles, and so on. And all of this can be done by signing into your account. You can choose to book hotels using only points, using cash and points, and using point savers, which save points on destinations. So choose whichever option you prefer here. As long as this box is ticked, as you can see, use points/awards, you will be able to use the points on your account when booking a hotel on a specific destination. So any stay that you choose, as long as you ticked this box here, use points/awards, will have the points redeemed from your account. So you will be able to see the amount of points that you need to book a stay. Just click view rates and go through the process of staying here. It is just like you would do with any other stay that you might have booked through Marriott Bonvoy, but in this case, you will be using points, so as long as that option is ticked, you will be able to get it with points or cash plus points. Sadly, I cannot show you the full process because I don't have an account available on Marriott Bonvoy with points, but you simply have to proceed to checkout to get this done. I hope I was able to help you on how to redeem points on Marriott Bonvoy. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.